In the latest release of OpenBridge Modeler, new pay unit options are introduced for barriers. For a flexible approach when modeling appurtenances including wearing surfaces, sidewalks, barriers, or any element of that nature, pay unit can now be selected from length, area, volume, or count options, and quantities report shows the appropriate pay unit based on the selection. To show these new options with barrier pay unit in OpenBridge Modeler, I will start by adding a left barrier using the Place Barrier tool in the accessory group of the Home tab. I will open the library and select the left barrier from the Barriers folder. I will choose BPB3L here. Keep all offsets as 0. The new pay unit options are here in the material section of the dialog. Now the pay unit can be specified as length, area, volume, or count. I will set it to linear unit and key in left barrier for name prefix. Next, select the deck and choose P5 as the guideline point for the barrier to follow. So when I click OK, the left barrier is placed with a pay unit of linear unit. Next, I will place a right sidewalk again using the Place Barrier tool. This time for the template, I will select one from the Sidewalks folder, right sidewalk. For the pay unit, I choose area unit. If area option is chosen, surface area is computed based on the key points of the template. I will name the element right sidewalk. Then select the deck and set the guideline point to P1 this time for the right side. And the right sidewalk is placed. If I zoom out and in view 7, it will appear on the section as well. If I modeled this sidewalk as a deck, only volume would be reported, but when modeled as a barrier, I can get the quantity in length, area, or volume. Lastly, I will add a median barrier in the middle of the deck with the Place Barrier tool. I choose a template from the Barriers folder in the library, median BMB3A. Set the pay unit to volume. Name it median barrier. Select the deck, but this time I will select an alignment for the barrier to follow instead of a guideline point and click on the bridge alignment, and the median barrier is placed as well. So I placed the left barrier with the pay unit length, a right sidewalk with pay unit area, and a median barrier with pay unit volume. Now I will open the quantities report from the bridge reporting group of the Reports and Drawings tab. Barriers will be listed in the miscellaneous quantities table of this report, which has the pay unit column. And for the left barrier, it is showing linear foot. For the right sidewalk, square foot, and cubic yard for the median barrier. And the quantities here are computed based on the pay unit selection. If cost will be computed for these elements, the unit price assignment for the material should be based on the pay unit as well. I will close the report now. The pay unit for the barriers can be modified through the Properties dialog after placement. To change the pay unit for the left barrier, I will open the Properties dialog. Pay unit is here, so I can change it from linear unit to each. And if I go back to the Quantities report, the pay unit will be updated here, and the quantity column will show the total count. Again, if cost will be estimated, the unit price should be adjusted according to the pay unit.